I'm with Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio, and welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Okay, we're on a Frigidaire washing machine, and the complaint is that it will not spin. We put it into a drain and spin, and it drains the water out just fine. And right now, we're at the actual spin portion of it, and right now the tub is moving a little bit, but not going into a full spin. What we suspect is the door switch. So we're going to let it run for just a little bit and just make sure that it does not go into a full spin, and then check out our door switch. So the tools you would need for this repair are a digital or a multimeter or volt ohm meter, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a square bit. You can get away with a Phillips, but it's meant for a square bit. Alright, so to check out our door switch, we're going to open up our door and take off this boot to access the switch. And there's a little spring under here. And you can remove this outer spring and place that to the side. We'll just peel back the boot here, and these are two mounting bolts that are square bits. So once we take that off, we can actually get inside of here and remove the electrical connectors from the switch itself. The main thing that goes wrong on these is this solenoid here, so we're going to ohm that out. Alright, so we have our meter set to ohms, and we're just going to ohm out this solenoid down here, and what we get is about 1.5K on a brand new one. We'll get about 1.6, and while that doesn't seem like it would be way off, it's enough for the machine to think that the door isn't closed properly. So we're going to put this guy in there, run it through a check, and make sure. Alright, so we have our new door switch, and we're just going to reconnect all the electrical connections. They all line up in one way, you can't get them wrong. And we'll get that guy right back into position. Get that in the right spot. We'll put our mounting screws back in. Now we can reattach our boot, our bellows, and there's just a little ridge that this guy will go around. Get that all in real nice, just make sure everything is in the right spot. And now we'll put our clamp back on, and I just put the spring on one part of it and loop it around. The next step is to grab it with the needle nose and get that under there real nice. And this part's kind of tricky. If you hold on to the top, pull out, and just guide it in there. Now it's all back in there. We'll shut this door. Put it on drain and spin. It's going to pump out for a while, and then we'll watch this thing take off. Right now it's in its full high-speed spin, so we know that we've replaced the correct part, and this repair is complete. Thank you for watching another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.